Hi and welcome to this presentation. Today we'll be talking about top 5 mobile games and mobile apps marketing strategies to get you more installs and more users. So this is not merely for just mobile games developers or mobile games owner. This can be applied to literally any kind of apps, alright? So in recent years, mobile app marketing strategies has completely changed. So if you need to get more app downloads, installs and users, then you need to change your digital marketing strategies right now. Today I'm going to outline the top 5 digital marketing strategies for app entrepreneurs, app developers, app owners and game developers to use. So if you need more app downloads, app installs, more app users and more game installs, then you cannot afford not to implement these strategies. So coming up, number 1, we have SEO. Search engine optimization is the practice of increasing the number of visitors to your websites by getting higher rankings in search engines. So you can use search engines to optimize and get more app downloads, alright? As people are using search engines like Google to search for your apps. So number 2, we have content marketing. Content marketing is about sharing valuable information with people who are interested in what you have to offer. Okay, and number 3, we have social media marketing. Social media marketing is a great way to market your game apps or your mobile apps online. Okay, there are many different platforms you can use, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. Okay, so each platform has its own unique features, but they all allow you to promote your mobile apps and build relationships. Number 4, we have pay-per-click advertising. PPC advertising works well if you are looking to target specific keywords. However, PPC ads aren't always effective, especially if you are paying per click. So make sure you do your research before investing in PPC advertising. Coming up, number 5, we have YouTube. So online videos make up more than 82% of all consumer internet traffic. So build awareness and drive traffic to your apps with YouTube ads. It's an amazing tool to advertise your app because you will be able to target people who are interested in your apps. Okay, so YouTube ads campaign can result in more downloads, more installs, more users and more whatever. So bonus tip, we have Propeller Ads. Propeller Ad is an ad tech company providing powerful performance marketing solutions on a global scale. So you can use this platform to get launch app download or app install campaigns, your game campaigns and all of that. Coming at here is another bonus tip. While running all these campaigns, you need to track your metrics. Okay, choose 3 to 5 metrics to track. Metrics like installs, user adoption, downloads, and all of that. So these are my top 5 mobile app or mobile game app marketing strategies. Okay, so if you need to get your mobile app or mobile games more installs and more users, give us a call today for a free consultation. All right, with over 7 years experience in creating and creating and implementing digital marketing strategies, Quite simply, we are confident that we can help you completely transform your business and generate more leads quickly. Okay, kindly get in touch with us by clicking the link in description or visiting the website address on your screen, on the email address on your screen today. Okay, let's discuss the best strategy that works for you. All right, so let us help you reach your most ambitious web marketing goals starting today. Simply get in touch with us. All right, thank you for watching and do have a great day.